In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free TradingView premium trials. If you've been wanting to test the full power of TradingView without committing up front, this walkthrough will help you start a premium trial the right way and avoid surprise charges. TradingView often runs a 30-day free trial for premium, and from time to time there are promo links that extend it by an extra 30 days. Availability can vary, but the sign-up process is simple and only takes a few minutes. First, open your browser and go to TradingView.com. On the home page, look for the Get Started button. This takes you to the plans page where you can see the different tiers. To access every feature during your trial, choose the premium plan. You aren't paying yet. This just determines which features you'll test during the trial period. Next, select Start Free Trial. TradingView will ask for a payment method to activate the trial. This is normal for most software trials and helps verify your account. Go ahead and add a valid card. You won't be charged as long as you cancel before the trial ends, but you might see a temporary authorization hold that disappears automatically. Once your card is added, confirm and start the trial. You'll unlock premium immediately. Take a moment to note your trial end date. It should be visible during sign-up and in your account billing area. I recommend setting a calendar reminder for 24 to 48 hours before the deadline, so you have time to decide whether to continue or cancel. If you decide premium isn't for you, you can cancel any time before the end date to avoid charges. You'll usually do this from your account settings under billing or subscriptions. After canceling, look for a confirmation on screen or by email and keep it for your records. If you choose to keep premium, you don't need to do anything. Your subscription will continue automatically when the trial expires. A quick tip: keep an eye out for legitimate promo links from TradingView's official channels. Occasionally, these extend the trial by another 30 days, giving you more time to explore advanced charts, alerts, and other premium tools. Just be sure any link you use is from a trusted source. That's it. Go to TradingView.com, click Get Started, pick Premium, hit Start Free Trial, add your card to activate, and remember you can cancel before the deadline to avoid charges. Enjoy your trial and make the most of the features while you have full access.